No, just kidding. I didn't actually just smack you in the face just now. Just now.
Ouch. Jerk.
And you're the one who just threw a ball at my face. Just now. Just.
Kick me. Not a pillow.
Adjust, like 20 just times. Just. No, it doesn't even sound like a word. Just.
Do I still have black on my face?
I don't know. I can't see it. No, you don't.
It's this side of my face that you drew on.
Scare you every time.
Oh, it's scary if I pretend to stooge you and stop within like a half inch. Thank you. Close your eyes.
I can't reach anyway. Oh, I could have reached that time.
Please stop videotaping this! Fine, I'll just sit here. Let you pretend to kick me in the face.
Or actually, you can.
Okay. To the viewers, don't you think this justifies some form of action? What?
Blinding down. Music hurts. The iPod.
That's the wrong iPod.
Oh god. Oh god.
Nice plaid boxers you got there.
Thank you. I thought so.
This is a weird one, Keegan.
Oh!